Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just gone over to Bitcoin. Big of the CoinsKid crew. So Bitcoin's doing incredibly well, isn't it? I just want to say thank you for the support. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for subscription. Thank you for tuning in. And thank you to all those people that are a member of the Discord right there and the CoinsKid Premium crew. I'm glad you're enjoying the content. I'm glad you're enjoying the indicators, the signals, the crypto zones. I'm glad you're enjoying all that content that I created for yourselves, okay? And obviously, if you're not already involved, definitely get involved. The links are on coinskid.com and in the video description. So diving into Bitcoin then, at the moment, what we need to see, which I think is really important, okay, and not a lot of people are paying attention to this, is the macro greed level. Okay, basically the RSI level on the weekly time frame is currently at 74.6. So we need to be above 70, in my opinion, to maintain a very strong, powerful uptrend. Now we did fall below that on the weekly. So is it been a case we've had a micro correction, some kind of bear trap? It's possible, but what I'm looking for to build the confidence that the micro correction is in the wave 2, and I've gone through this with you, is we need to see multiple closes above that 70 level again, and for Bitcoin to just take out the local high. So I'm looking for any reasons in the chart why Bitcoin could not be absolutely bullish and looking to break out anytime soon, and why it could actually be in a macro correction. So we're going to zoom in a moment. Now there's a couple of things that I'm looking at, so I'll show you everything I find. I'll zoom in right now on the chart and show you, okay? So looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we've really bolted here. This is a beautiful little ascending triangle just showing you, coiled up, 3 points of resistance, break on the third point, boom, boom, see you later. So the technical target, like I said to you, I think the minimal target when we was coming all the way down here, everyone would get really super depressed and, bear market and things like that. I said to you, I think Bitcoin will come up into that God candle just there, and it's done exactly that. It's been a beautiful move, okay, and I've posted it all over Twitter in the videos and in the Discord, okay, and everyone was saying, no way, and things like that. But, this is something we've traded so many times on the channel. For example, here we've got this compression pattern, God candle breakout. What have we done? We're falling back to its support, and we look like we may be on the verge of going again. So obviously it's really difficult to give you the 100% certainty that we've had the ABC, and right now we're bolting like a moonshot basically for Bitcoin. So it's all about the support and resistance. I can't guarantee we're going to take that resistance out, but if we do, it's a bullish statement from Bitcoin, and it could indicate, okay, we've had a 1, ABC 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth, and Bitcoin's really breaking out, okay, and going vertical to that green line, which I noted in yesterday's video for you, okay? So I'm trying to find any reason in the charts or any kind of analysis or whatever to sort of, give us clues that Bitcoin won't do that. So what I might have here is a clue in the charts for you. Basically, it's really simple and really silly, and I apologize about showing you this, but it's worked out twice here. If we take a look at this, we've got the pump moon and we pumped. We've got the dump moon and we dumped. We've got the pump moon and we pumped. And right now, today, whilst we're running into this technical target of an inverse head and shoulders pattern, we are printing another dump moon. So again, it's very silly. It's, a lot of people just laugh at me, but I've traded the pump and dump moons before. So at this point here, if we meet this technical target at 47620, then it could be the fact that we've got the dump moon, as daft as it sounds, it could bring us back down into the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Everyone gets super bearish, thinking we're going to collapse to 34k, but all it is a breakout of an inverse head and shoulders pattern on the neckline, a backtest for support before going again. So let's just apply a bit of common sense here. If you're not already long on Bitcoin, I would not necessarily jump into a long at this point, because the risk of a pullback is increasing, okay, because obviously we've got the technical target, you've broken out of the beautiful neckline of an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and what you've not done is you've not backtested it as support. So I think that support retest needs to come in, to be honest with you. So I would not necessarily dive into any longs at this point until we backtest that support. This is something I'm trying to relay to you. So what I would be looking for in time is basically short that particular target there with your stop loss on the pivot high, and I did talk about this many moons ago, just here, 49086. Put your stop loss on that pivot high on whatever exchange it's actually on. Look for the drawdown back into this. It's a tiny little short with very minimal risk trade right there, so you'd be looking at a short of around about 8.58% for Bitcoin, back down to this neckline to confirm support, little opportunity to make money on the daily time frame, and then we could look to go again at that point, okay, if we start to create reversal structure down there. So again, the invalidation of that is right now we're going to take out the dump moon. It's not going to play out like it has been for so long, and it's just absolutely taken off in space. If it does, fantastic, we make money because we're long anyway. So I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, take care everyone. Back soon with another update on Bitcoin. Bye bye.